In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a WordPress menu link open in a new tab. So this is my menu links. If I click on any of them, it will just open directly on the page. For instance, if I go to About Us, you see the About Us page right here. But there are instances you may want to open your menu links in a new tab. That is, if you want to redirect your users to a different website. So if you want to learn how to make a WordPress menu link open in a new tab, keep watching. Hello guys, this is Sadiq here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's get started. So to make a WordPress menu link open in a new tab, I will head over to my dashboard. Under Appearance, I click on Menus, and currently this is the menu I have right here. So to create a new menu link, I will go over to Custom Links. In here, I enter the URL I want the menu link to open to. I already copied it to a clipboard. I just paste it in here. Link text, I enter YouTube because I want it to go to YouTube. Then I click on Add to Menu. The menu link is added. If I open up the menu, in here I won't get the option to open my menu link in a new tab. So what I'll do is I go up to Screen Options, click on it, then under Show Advanced Menu Properties, I check the box beside Link Target. I collapse it. Then I open up the menu link again, and then I will now see the option Open Link in a New Tab. I check it, then I click on Save Menu. Okay, the menu is saved. I go over to my home page, I refresh it, and the new menu will appear right here. Now if I click on it, it will open in a new tab. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to know. Keep watching, and we will talk soon.